Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Bernard. I have another book to read to you about the chicken life cycle and about the life cycles in general. This one is about what is in the egg, that egg. So it's called What's in That Egg? And this book is about life cycles. And look, there's a little chick and it says, hello. Title page. Title page. Hey, what's in that egg? Hello? Mom? Is it a turtle? Turtles are reptiles. Reptile eggs can be hard, but are sometimes soft and leathery. Some reptiles bury their eggs. Turtles bury their eggs. And so because they lay eggs, remember they are oviparous animals. How about a frog? Frogs are amphibians. Amphibian eggs are like jelly. Some are laid in strings and others in bunches. They need to stay wet and are laid in ponds or streams or even in leaves that hold on to water. Could it be a fish? Fish lay lots of eggs at a time. Most let their eggs scatter in the water. Some freshwater fish make nests underwater in the sand. Isn't that pretty cool? You never thought a fish would make a nest. How about a butterfly? A butterfly is an insect. Most insects are tiny. Insect eggs are teeny tiny and hidden. And this is a picture of a leaf, and if you look really closely, it has some butterfly eggs on it. And if you notice, this is the underneath side of a leaf, so that predators won't see them easily. Or could it be a swan? A swan is a bird, and birds lay hard-shelled eggs in nests to keep them safe. One thing's for sure, though an egg seems so small, there's a whole world inside. It's a home after all. Home sweet home. Some babies live in eggs for only a few days, and some live there for months. This is a chicken egg, and you can see there's the yolk, and this clear, gooey kind of substance is called albumin, and the shell is on the outside. Inside the egg, a baby floats. The albumin makes up most of the egg. It allows that growing baby inside to float around and not get bumped. The yolk is the food that the baby will eat as it's growing, and it will help it become big and strong. And then, after they've grown and gotten bigger and stronger, suddenly, tap, 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 the baby inside will use its egg tooth to start to hatch. Most baby animals tap open their hard shells with that little egg tooth on the top of their beak. Eggs can be pink, or green, or blue. Some eggs can even be see-through. There's a glass frog egg right there, and you can see him inside. Long and skinny, pointed or round, all different shapes of eggs can be found. This is a quail egg, which is a bird. These are snake eggs. Down here, these are turtle eggs, and over here, this is a guillemot egg. These birds lay their eggs on a narrow ledge on a rocky cliff. If the eggs were round, they might roll right off, but instead their eggs are an oval shape, and that keeps them safe because they just roll in circles instead of straight off the edge of the cliff. Ostrich eggs are the largest of all eggs, and they can get as big as 7.5 inches tall. Hummingbirds lay the smallest bird eggs. Remember, they're about the size of a tiny jelly bean. Bigger than a cantaloupe or too small to see, there may be just one, like this, or 2,000 or 3, like that. The eggs an animal lays at one time is called a clutch. This is a clutch of clownfish eggs. The penguin, usually the emperor penguin, just lays one egg at a time. A baby is born. Do you know what kind? The egg might tell what was growing inside. Remember, is it a hard egg? Is it soft and leathery? Is it under the water? Is it buried in the sand? Is it in a nest? Is it teeny tiny? Is it long and skinny? Here's an alligator being born and he says, "Hey, where'd everybody go?" Happy birthday, alligator. Alligators are reptiles. Surprise! What took you so long? Hey, they have soft and leathery eggs which they bury under leaves or sand. So this is a baby alligator that was born. And remember, their eggs are buried under leaves or sand, and their eggs are leathery and soft. Okay, see you later, alligator.